What if your home heater could mine Bitcoin for you? Traditional Bitcoin miners are loud, they consume massive power, and they're not built for homes. Meet the Avalon Nano 3S, a silent Bitcoin miner that heats your room while earning BTC. This compact device delivers 6 THs using only 140 watts, about the power of a large laptop. It runs at just 30 to 40 decibels, quiet enough for your bedroom, office, or living room. No technical skills needed. Just plug it in, connect Wi-Fi, and start mining in minutes. You also get a 140W GAN power supply, plus 3 free months of Moken Depin Tracker Pro, worth $150. Instead of paying for electricity, let your electricity pay you back in Bitcoin. Want the full breakdown, real-world use, pros, cons, and earning potential? Click the link in the description to read the full Avalon Nano 3S review before you buy.